Hi, folks. Very good afternoon. This is going to be the last session of the Automation Hub, and uh, we have gone ahead and created a bot for the recruitment process that we selected. Testings have also been performed. I'm going to show it to you what's going to happen next on Automation Hub. And since the bot has already been made live in the HR domain, what's the next action that we're going to take? So we're just going back to automation profile. Uh, Development completed is the status. I have already finished downloading the component. Okay, resume screening. You see 2 downloads already done. These downloads have included the manuals which we need to go through and also test the particular bot. So this testing has been concluded successfully. All right. So what we're going to do now is go back to our main screen. Okay. Uh, and go to edit. And since my testing has been successful, testing completed. Okay. Save it. Success. Okay. I'm also going ahead and putting a review for this particular component. So next time, if anybody wants to have a review or have a look at it, they can check this out for a reuse. Okay, I'll leave my comment over here. So that's good at our end. Okay, and if you want to add a review, you can do that. That's not a problem. All right. Once this is done, I again go back to my main pipeline. Okay, and since my testing is also completed and it's been made live, I will click on live, and now hypercare is already going on. Okay, so it's ready for production. Hypercare and in production, these are the stages. Okay, it totally depends upon you. If you have finished running in the bubble support, okay, you can push it for ready for production or in production. Now since the bot is already live with the domain, that's the HR domain, okay, I'm putting it into production. Okay, and I'm going ahead and just scrolling down to make sure all the details are captured correctly. Okay, uh, I'm going to save it. Live in production, this is how it's going to look like. Overview, automation goal quality. These are the detailed assessments, lessons learned, and all looks good at this moment. We have closed with this particular idea with the recruitment process automation with Automation Hub. Similarly, you can keep on following this particular steps for various ideas that you have, and have a happy automation so that this particular journey is quite fruitful for you. Thank you from Nisarg and Shrippad. Have a blessed day.